the sky. C is for cat, soft and sweet. She walks near us with gentle feet. D is for duck, quack quack sound, waddling happily on the ground. E is for egg, white and small. We drew it on the sandy wall. F is for fish, swimming fast, jumping up as the waves splash past. G is for gift, with ribbon bright. We open it with big delight. H is for hat on Tina's head, colorful yellow, blue, and red. A is for ice cream, cold and sweet, melts so fast in summer heat. J is for jar, with shells inside. We shake it once and smile wide. K is for kite, flying high, dancing freely in the sky. L is for leaf, green and bright. It floats around in morning light. M is for moon, glowing white. We draw it round and full of light. Till we are love, till we are love. Q is for pineapple, yellow and sweet. We place it near the sandy sea. Q is for queen, with crown so fine. We draw her smiling in a line. R is for rainbow, big and wide, colors shining side by side. S is for star, golden and bright. We see it sparkle in the night. T is for tortoise, walking slow, leaves his trail as he goes. U is for umbrella, shade from sun. We rest under it when we're done. V is for van, red and blue. We ride it down the sandy view. W is for whale, jumping high, splashing water to the sky. X is for xylophone, rainbow tone. We tap it gently note by note.